Hey guys, these are the warning signs you have to pay attention to. So what is the first sign?
The first sign is definitely Seller Central and the account health. Like, guys, definitely need to watch over the account health day by day, especially if you have a lot of products in your catalog that you're selling. So account health need to be clean, like 100%. All the things in the dashboard literally saying that you have a clean or not account health. All the issues that you have with your products and your listings are here. And of course, the late shipment rate or the defect rate, cancel rate, everything, a negative feedback and so on, everything needs to be in the metrics that Amazon requests for each of the seller.
What is when I see this 1000 score, is there like some kind of threshold when people are like, they need to be very alert in order to pay attention to their...
Of course, like the better account health rating, the better seller account is. And literally what that means is you will not be additionally flagged by Amazon and not be removed from Amazon. They start with 1 listing, 2 listing. If you're continuously not having account health rating at the toppest level like this one, you will be removed from Amazon because you're not following the guidelines and everything that happens.
So is there basically like a domino effect? So if you have like, let's say at the beginning you have 1000 score and you have lower score because of some issue that you're not paying attention to, it is now 800. Is there like a domino effect that then Amazon will pay attention to other areas in your Amazon account? So you don't want to allow yourself not to fix these issues because you will have other issues there. Because, yeah, I understand. So what would be, of all these things that we can see here, what would be the biggest warning sign that people are like, they have to be laser focused on?
Laser focused are the notifications on the Seller Central main dashboard. You will clearly have a display here saying your account might be deactivated. Those, like, Amazon is really helpful at that point. They will notify you on time, every time. If you have like problems like that, they will just immediately tell you. You will have a huge warning sign here saying you need to follow these steps in order to have a clean account.
So you don't want to play with that. So you don't want to procrastinate that part.
And be cautious and read through each detail that Amazon is pointing. If you have any like listing policy violation, any restricted product violations, please go over those and fix them immediately. They will notify you through performance notifications. They will notify you through an email. Those things need to be monitored all the time, and make sure to react immediately, like immediately. If you have any claims on your detail page, remove them immediately. That will not harm you as much as it can harm you of your listings and your account in total. Also, what we need to cover are the voice of the customers. If you have continuously receiving negative customers experience from the customer, like this one, we see damaged items 63%. What you need to do is take a look on your inventory, submit bin checks through the cases, see if you did send those items, damaged items, to Amazon. If that's the reason, please make sure to return all those units to yourself, to your warehouse, to 3PL warehouse that you have a contract with, and please make sure to fix those issues that you have. If it's a package, if it's a unit itself, or it's a plastic or glass or whatever is broken there, make sure not to sell those, because that will affect your account so negatively that at some point, if you don't listen to Amazon, if you do not react, you will be shut down.
And this is affecting the entire account.
Exactly.
So if you have one listing that is rotten, it will rotten all other listings simply because that one is affecting the entire.
It's not like that strictly, because you see how many listings have problems here, but that's the you can see how many excellent listings are there. So they are basically calculating how much revenue you bring to Amazon and how much revenue you can potentially have. So they give you some time to address those issues and try to fix them. If not, they will just crush it out.
And if, from holistical standpoint, when I see this, I think that Amazon has an incentive in order to have the best customer experience. So that's why they are pushing you to fix this, because they don't want to provide crappy experience to their users. So that's why they're not you. Yeah,
exactly. One of the things you really need to go over are the detail page removed and suppressed listings and things like that you can find in your seller account. For this one, that the detail page is removed, the listing is removed, it cannot be sold because of the product safety issues. This is the request from Amazon to let you know that you need to approve and you need to have additional documents in order to sell the product. For example, children product certificate that needs to be approved by the company that is bound to do that. For example, there are so many companies that are testing and having all the details about the product, that having the right materials, it's not harmful for kids under the 12, 13 or 14 or 6 or so on. So those testing needs to be approved by the companies that they are doing, and you need to submit them in order to reinstate the listing that is having problems with the product safety issues, for example.
One question. When people are getting emails from Amazon, I know that there's potentially also to get potentially spammy emails from other companies that are pretending that they're Amazon as well.
Always.
The best way for someone who's a business owner or Amazon FBA seller, the best way is to go into the notifications and see everything there. Everything will be over there, yeah.
And that's a tricky part. So sometimes they will just address you through account health, and you can receive. Basically, the first things that they are doing are sending the performance notifications. Sometimes they might be not included here, but they will send you through an email. So those are the things you need to monitor constantly: email, performance notifications, and the account health dashboard, plus all the additional things for that you need to cover in order to have a clean account without problems that can crush you at some point.
So to sum up, when you see that your account health is going down, it is not 1,000, focus on that. Do not put this on the side. That is the main recap from this.